This video is your guide to learn about the Corelytics 30-minute monthly action plan and dramatically improve the monthly management process of your company. Before we walk you through how to use Corelytics in your monthly management process, let's spend a few moments on the fundamentals behind using a dashboard. Build your management process around Corelytics, and you will be able to look forward when steering your business ahead. Be proactive when driving your company. Financial performance visibility helps you determine how well your initiatives are improving performance. Make sure to assign someone to be responsible for driving key initiatives and use goals on specific metrics to track and share performance results. Develop a consistent process for reviewing financial performance on specific metrics every month, and you will spend less time and be more focused. Corelytics helps you see how your business is performing as you drive it forward into the future. The action plan is simple. Update Corelytics, review indicators and identify any performance problems, analyze problems in detail, identify your top 3 priorities for the coming month, and communicate your expectations with your team. Once you've set your financial goals, you can track performance on a variety of metrics. After updating your data to Corelytics, use the leading indicator screen and the financial screen to do a quick check of the metrics you are monitoring. There are several metrics you can monitor that are not tracked on the leading indicator screen. In this example, we are looking at EBITDA, a common metric for measuring operating profitability. This metric is not displayed on the leading indicator screen, but you can still track performance against annual and percent of revenue goals. Goals are used to see if you are on track for maintaining expected performance on specific metrics you are monitoring. We recommend you pick the top 10 financial metrics you want to track and check their performance each month. Each metric will change color based on your performance against that goal. They display red if your performance is dramatically off pace, orange if you are heading off pace, and green if you are meeting or exceeding your goal. In this example, the indicator is displaying red, so we know we're off track for this metric. To find out more about what is happening with revenue, we can analyze the problem a bit further by clicking on the Detail Financial screen. The first thing I want to do is change the View By setting from quarter to month so I can see the most accurate picture of the performance trends over the past 24 months. When viewing this graph, ask yourself if this is a seasonal trend or a new direction in performance. Also, keep in mind that other versions of Corelytics let you analyze performance of up to 10 different lines of business using the Line of Business selector. In this example, we're analyzing combined company performance. Next, you'll want to check the 12-month forecast for revenue and compare it to other critical trends and your goal for revenue. At a glance, I can tell how our revenue growth trends compare to expense growth trends and how we should be performing against our goal by clicking on the expense rate and goal boxes. By dragging the mouse over the rate lines in the forecast range, we can see the monthly amounts for each trend line below the graph. The higher of the 2 dark lines displays high growth forecast based on our previous 24-month trend, and the lower of the lines shows the low growth forecast based on our past 6-month trend. The goal and expense rate lines are also displayed. In this example, we want to avoid the situation where our revenue and expense rates cross, as indicated by our low growth forecast. After you have checked all of the metrics you are monitoring, you will want to define the top 3 to 5 priorities for the coming month. Based on what we saw in the revenue forecast, example priorities might be increase the number of prospecting calls, call on accounts with AR issues, or enhance your SEO performance. Then, make sure you communicate these priorities to your team and assign an owner to each. Companies who continuously link the management of priorities and initiatives to their financial performance consistently outperform companies who do not follow this process. Should you need technical assistance or want to learn more about financial goal setting using Corelytics, there are several support resources available to you. You can email us at support@coreconnects.com or call our support line and select the support option. For further assistance, almost all screens have on-screen help, indicated by the question mark icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Or you can read our Corelytics tutorials by clicking on the support link in the upper right-hand corner of the header. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Your success is our mission.